Now the next question we're going to see, that is the third one. Third one question is 20.6 divided by 2. We can write it in a division format. 20.6. Now we know the table of 2. 2 tens are 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. Now we are in decimal point. So in the answer also we have to give a decimal point. Now we have to take this 6 down. Now we have to divide this 6 by 2. 2 threes are 6. We can write 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 we get remainder, means we get the answer 10.3. So we can write 2.6 divided by 2 is equal to 10.3. Now the next one is, fourth question is 32.5 divided by 25. Now we can write it in a decimal or in a division format. So this is decimal number inside, 25 is outside because 25 is dividing this 32.5. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, so 50 is not there, number is less than 50. That's why 25 ones are 25. We're going to minus. So from this 2 we cannot minus. So from this 3 we taking the 1 for this 2. So it becomes 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Now we are having a decimal point. So in the answer also you have to give decimal point. Then only we can take a next number downside. So now 5 we taking downside in front of the 7. Number becomes 75. Now we can divide this 75 by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. So 25 threes are is 75. 75 minus 75 means 0. We get 0 as answer in a remainder. It means we get the answer 1.3. When we divide 32.5 by 25, we getting the answer 1.3. That we can write in a proper way. 32.5 divided by 25 is equal to 1.3. Now we are going to see the second question of this practice set 17. The question is, a road is 4 km and 800 meters long. If trees are planted on both its side, on the both sides of road, if trees are planted at intervals of 9.6 meter, means suppose this is a road, total distance is 4 km and 800 meters, and trees are planted on the both sides of the road. These are the trees are planted, and this distance is 9.6 meter is there, and after this 9.6 meter distance another tree we have to plant, and we have to plant on both the sides. This is the one side, this is the second side of the road. The question is, how many trees were planted on this both the sides of road? Now we can find out. We can write in proper way. A road has total distance of one side is equal to 4 kilometer and 800 meters. Now we having this another measurement in meters. That's why we have to convert this 4 kilometer into the meters. 4 kilometers means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That's why 4 kilometer means 4 multiplied by 1000 meter, it comes 4000 meters, and this 800 meters. That's why it becomes 4000 meters plus 800 meters is equal to 4800 meters. Directly also you can write 4800 meters if you know. Now the interval means a distance they have lived, that is 9.6 meter distance between two trees is equal to 9.6 meter. Now we have to find out for one side first how many trees we can plant. So by this number we going to divide this number. So we have to divide, we can find out trees were planted on one side of road is equal to 4800 divided by 9.6. Now we can write in a division format 4800 and 9.6. If you want to cancel this decimal point, then we have to take one extra zero over there in the next number, that is the number inside this sign. So when we cut the decimal point, we have to give extra number. It means 4800, there we have to increase a 1 0, then we can divide it by 96. We are going to divide this 48,000 by 96. Now 96 multiplied by which number? That gives us 480. So when we multiply by 5, then we can see what the answer is coming. 5 6 30, 3 is the carry, 5 9 45 plus this 3 is 48. So we get the answer 480 when we multiply this 96 by 5, means 96 5s are 480. So here we can write 5 and here we can write 480. We have to minus that 480 from this 480, we are getting 0. Now we know that when zeros are there, then we writing downside and we dividing that 0 and we writing 96 zeros are 0. Then again 1 0 is there, so that 0 we have to take down. So 96 zeros are 0. So our answer becomes 500. This 500 is for one side. It is for one side. How many trees were planted on one side is 500. Now we have to find out on the second side or on the both the sides. So for two sides, number of trees were planted is equal to, we have to multiply this 500 by 2. Then answer is coming 2 multiplied by 500 is 1000. So 1000 trees were there planted on the both sides of road. Therefore we can write 1000 trees were planted on the both sides of a road.